Hey everyone, today I will show you how to schedule Instagram post. And here's how it is done. Start by opening the Instagram app and create a feed post as you normally would. Once your post is ready, proceed to the posting stage. Tap on More Options, then Advanced Settings. Under Scheduled Content, toggle the switch labeled Schedule this post. In the menu that appears, set the desired date and time for your post to be shared. Tap Set Time. You can still add a caption, tags, location, music, etc. if you'd like. When finished, tap Schedule in the top right corner. How to view scheduled Instagram post. Go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Scheduled Content. If you need to change the scheduled time or no longer wish to share the post, tap the three dots next to the scheduled post. You can choose to delete, reschedule, or share the post immediately. How to edit scheduled Instagram post. Tap the scheduled post you want to edit. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit Post. Make changes to the caption, tags, location, or alt text as needed. Tap Done or Check button in the top right corner to save your changes. And that is everything you need to know about how to schedule Instagram post. And may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.